Welcome to Transglobal's video demo. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about the basic functionality of how this works. Our web portal is like a tggtracking.com. So once you have this credentials, then it takes you to the live page where you could able to see all the functionalities here. So we have menu monitoring, tracks, messages, reports, and geofences. And you could able to see that the moment you in the left hand, the monitoring is the one which we are going to talk now here in this video. On the left hand side, you can see the vehicles along with the registration number. And the moment you keep the cursor on any vehicle, it tells you like where the vehicle is currently and at what speed it is moving with. So currently this vehicle is not moving, it's in a stop condition, and we could able to see the power and SOS button status. Okay, the second one still the same, so it is also not moving, unfortunately. And you can see that there's no SOS button pressure or anything. So if the vehicle is on the move, you could able to say this particular one in the on condition, as in it shows in green. Let me open it for you in a different account for to tell you how it works for you. So here you can able to see that this we can able to group the vehicles based on your plant. So this customer has got plants across India, like in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, UP, Maharashtra, and in AP. So you could able to see all the vehicles here. So when you click this vehicle panel, it expands all the vehicle list, and here you could see the difference of this thing. Like this vehicle, which shows you the green arrow, indicates that it is currently on the move. So we can keep the cursor, and this customer we have given the fuel sensor too, where you will get the fuel information also, because we have installed additional fuel sensors in the tank. We'll talk about it later. Anyhow, you can see that the vehicle is currently at Puttur bypass road, Andhra Pradesh, and if you want to see the vehicle live, you could able to see the vehicle live. And you can zoom in to see the movement of the vehicle. So that's how we could able to see the live movement of the vehicle. Hope you could see that. And keep the cursor. It tells you at what speed it is moving and where it is moving currently. So the latest data we got is around 10 seconds ago. You can see at the right corner of that particular additional menu, whatever it is showing us. And I hope this is clear for you. And now imagine that there's another vehicle which you want to monitor. This vehicle, let's imagine this is in Tirmalagiri. Okay, I'm switching on this vehicle also. See that both the vehicles, one is here in Telangana and one is here at Andhra Pradesh. And let me show you some other in some other state. Yeah, this is in Bhopal. Yeah, as in Bhopal, which is on the move. So See, all the vehicles are in different parts. So if you want to see them in a closed manner, that will be difficult for you to see at the micro level of the window. So what we did is we enabled the multi-window. Just double click on the vehicle number. It tells you, takes you to the site and then micro level window. See this one, the second one, and any number. Whatever the numbers you want to see, just double click on that. It opens up a window for you. It keeps opening the additional windows as long as you double click on those. Is it clear? I believe it's clear for you. So this helps you to go in a micro level, whereas in the main screen it's not possible for you because all the vehicles will be moving in different directions. So this gives you a glimpse on where the vehicle is at the micro window. It's clear? So this button helps you to minimize these boxes. If you don't want to see it, just click, it will be minimized. Click this button, it will be maximized. Clear? Yes. Let's get into this thing. So here, imagine that you want to see all the vehicles at one go. Just click this button and click this button. Across India, where the vehicle is, you could able to see that vehicles, all the vehicles list. And if you have a specific vehicle, if you want to see, okay, let's imagine 1993. I want to see where the vehicle is. There's a universal search 1993. Just type it, just click. It takes you to the site where the vehicle is. Hope you could see it. That's it. And here we are giving an options to see in different maps. This is the map one, map button, where you could able to say that click one, and it shows you plenty of options for you. We use Google as well as Bing and OSM and Google Traffic too. So if you want to switch to hybrid one, just click hybrid. It takes you to the site. Or if you want to get the streets, click here. It takes you to the site. Clear? I believe gives you some idea about. Now if you see, there is a hidden window here which gives you an options, plenty of options, like a quick track. I want to see the track quickly. Just click here and click here. See that you got this. I want to see like this one particular vehicle, how this particular vehicle has traveled today. Let's go for this one. Is on the move now. If you want to see how this vehicle has traveled today, we have this show track button, small icon. You can see, click on that. It tells you how the vehicle has traveled today. This is for a quick access of to see how the vehicle has traveled today. And you can see the same thing here also. I'm removing the track, and then we have a tracks menu where it explains about this particular movement of the vehicle for the whole day. Let me see your vehicle. Yeah, so your vehicle is on the move. So let me show you this. Yeah, there's the vehicle which is on the move right now. It's in Bangalore currently at Izipura main road, Karnataka. And if you want to see this vehicle, how this vehicle has traveled, we could able to see that the same way. Click this particular button. And click this. It shows you like how this vehicle has traveled today. Clear? I believe it's clear for you. I'm removing the track. And here, once you are here, you could able to see, you can click and choose your vehicle and say like what time you want to see. We're into tracks now. So if you want to see like the parkings of the vehicle, stops made by the vehicle, and if you want to see that parking count, you can click it here. And the last, this initial and final positions, when you generate the trip, this track, it tells you what is the starting position, what is the final position as of now based on your time interval. All this will be shown to you here. So let's say you want to see like today how this vehicle has traveled. Just click today, so you can see the stops along with the number. You can go back up to 1 year. We're going to give you the data to 1 year, and we got plenty of options here where you could able to see the trip by ignition wise. Say this one has traveled morning 8 o'clock, started its journey, and traveled 1.29 kilometer, then again took a break, and again started at 8:31, and 3 kilometers it has traveled, then took a break for 1 hour, and it started at 10 o'clock. So likewise you can see that in color coding, different stops and different movements in different colors. And if you don't want to see them in different colors, you can able to remove this, or just click remove all tracks, and you can able to see that color by single, right? And click just say today, so everything will be in single color. But going with a different color helps you to identify the movement of the vehicle easily on the map. It's up to you like how you want to see that. It was given for you to have an understanding on how it has started in different colors. I'm removing this, and you can able to choose the interval between, imagine that I want to see like between 10 and 11 o'clock. Click 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Okay, just say show track. So in between this interval, like the mileage of the vehicle, the kilometers traveled by the vehicle is 10.04 kilometer, and the beauty is here you can able to play it back. The moment you click play, it tells you, it shows you like how the vehicle has traveled. Just increasing the speed, and it's fine. Zooming in, then probably it helps you. You can go back up to 1 year. Let me reduce the speed. I think it is going with it. Yeah, little better. This is a track player. That's it about the tracks. One more thing, like imagine that the vehicle has traveled today. Let's say I'm removing this track, and once again I'm generating for the whole day. Imagine that this is the whole track played by the, traveled by the vehicle. And if you are sure about like this vehicle, this is the route in which it travels every day, we have an option here, save as a geofence. So the whole track of the vehicle will be saved as a geofence for you for future reference. If you want to see like, or if you want to use the same route for future. So the moment you say this will be stored under your geofences. So currently, yeah, when we talk about that, I'll show you. Please note it. This is the area like through which you can able to save the traveled path as a route. Right? Thanks so much. This is about the tracks, and coming to geofences. Like these are the geofences which we have created one, I believe. Click here, it takes you to the site. So this is the geofence which we created, which helps you in identifying what time the vehicle has reached your fence or your plant, and what time it has spent inside your plant, and when it has left your plant. Those things will be noted down automatically in the reports part. So we got another one, I think, like the hidden here, notifications. Yeah, maybe for troubleshooting purpose they have switched it on. Anyhow, so I'm going to show you again how quickly you can able to create another geofence. So geofences, just click new, is the new, click new, and we got an options here, whereas you can able to create it, line, polygon and circle. Let's imagine I'm going with this. This is your second plant. Imagine this is your second plant. You can zoom into the maximum level. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and go. This is the one. You can name it. Fedex 2. So the same thing, you can able to create it by using a circle. You can define your radius here, 20 or 10. And if you have an image of your site, you can able to upload that site visual as well. Here, I'm just saving it. So whenever there's a vehicle coming in, so you'll be notified by an alert. So let's say the notifications point here. See, like we have a notifications which we have already enabled for you for when somebody switches an alarm, what's going to happen. So in here, I'm going to demonstrate like the moment the vehicle reaches your FedEx 2, you'll be getting an alert. Like we do have 4 kinds of alerts. One is the email, one is an SMS, one is an SOS, like a push notification from mobile, and one is the command control center. You can see that for this particular customer, we have enabled these notifications based on the speed. So the moment there is a violation, it pops up here. You can see here there's a 48 online notification, all are relating to the speed only. So the moment it crosses a particular speed limit, it is going to buzz you. Clear? The same way for you, I'm going to show like how it is going to happen. New, click new, and choose all your vehicles or a specific vehicle if you want to create a notification for this. And speed based, let's imagine you want to get an alert for a speed. Just say next, and here you can able to specify the speed limit, maximum allowed speed limit as per your company norms. So fixed speed limit, and if you have different routes, you can able to do that. And speed limit, I'm giving it as a 80 or 50, or you can advise us what is the value you're looking at. How do you want to be notified? By an email, the moment there's a violation, you'll be getting an alert, and notify by an SMS and Telegram. If you have token account, you can able to push it, or a pop-up window will appear here, or a mobile notification will be posted through our mobile app, right? So is how we can able to create it. So info@transglobalgeomatics.com. That's it, and you can keep adding your email address. There is no limit on SMS. There is no limit on email. SMSs are chargeable. You can able to add a number of numbers as per your needs. And notifications are free. Push notifications are also free. So you can say that, you can see you'll be getting alert like this. The number, vehicle number, violated speed limitations at so and so, it moved with a speed of 60 near your look. This is how you'll be getting an alert. FedEx speed, and you can able to define your intervals. If you want to limit it, the alerts, just say okay. So now you got the speed limit notifications which will trigger based on the speed of the vehicle. So that's how. If you don't want to enable it, just click this will be disabled automatically. Enable it. If you want to enable it, click, this will be enabled. Clear? That's fine. So coming to the tracks, we are done with geofences, notifications, and reports are like 100% customizable. So you can able to advise us how do you want to see your reports. Like we have various kinds of reports which we give it to our customers. Let's say, so let me show you that. Anyhow, I'll be sharing you on a different screen. So for time's sake, like you can choose that and just say today. You can see that the vehicle today, the total kilometers traveled is like an 18.93 kilometers, right? And trip details, what time it has started, 8:45, and beginning time, end time, initial location and final location, and the total time. So you can able to click this one, so we'll have a better look on this. So this average speed, maximum speed, start mileage, end mileage, the total time, like you can able to see this, the like a whole uh, traveled path, today's traveled path, and you can able to see that. And if you want to see this trip wise, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. The total today traveled kilometers is 17.61. That's, you can see that in the summary report. This is now I think like the vehicle is on the moon now. So the trip wise details is that. And imagine that you want to see this particular trip, one particular trip. Click this I symbol. It shows you, highlights you only that particular trip. First trip, kind of the second one, the kind of the third one. I think after this, like the vehicle has moved a little. That's the reason there is a change in kilometer. It's clear for you? I believe that's clear. So on the geofences, what time it has come inside. So time in, time out. It has spent around 31 minutes at your plant or loading point. When you click here, it takes you to the site directly. See that this coming inside morning 8:52, right? And it has left at 9:24. It has spent total 31 minutes. And these reports are customizable as per your needs. We have plenty of options and in which we can able to customize your dashboards to show you like how it works. So I'm talking here about the customization of your dashboard needs. This is like in a parking time, how long your vehicle has waited in each location. So this is the total time, the duration, from what time to what time it is idle, and in which location. And you could able to get the same feeling over here. The total count, kilometers, and the speed chart, and these are all customizable reporting. So as per your needs, we can able to customize and like we can able to design it. And so imagine that you want to see this trip details also on the speed. We got here button here, just click, you can able to see both. I mean, you can able to parkings and geofences, trip details, summary report. Like you can able to switch over. The same way we have plenty of options where you can able to export this into a different format like HTML, PDF, Excel, XML, and CSV. And we have a provision where you can able to share our API to push the data to your cloud for trip creation. For many international companies, we are sharing our API to push the data and pull the data both ways. And you can choose it, and you can able to create it. Just click OK. It will be downloaded automatically. And as I mentioned, like, we have plenty of dashboard designs. This one, we can able to see that for one of the customer. This is like able to see that how many total vehicles, branch wise data you want, in charge wise data you want. So master data which we have created for all trips, trip status, placement of the vehicle, you can able to do it manually. This how you can able to see that, not uploaded. So what is this? What is it? Based on your needs, that's a highly customizable platform, we could say. For this customer, we have to give them the option where they'll be creating a trip. So let me log in again. Yeah. So this guy wants something like a trip-based data. So it's up to you, like how you want to see the data at any point of time. We can able to 100% customize it at no additional charge, right? And we can able to see the reports, trip stat details, driver. It's a purely like how your company wants to see the data. Based on that, I could able to give a access to you. And for one of this customer has a different dashboard. Yeah, this is for one of the customers. So likewise, we can able to create a number of dashboards. Doesn't matter. You can advise us anytime how you want to see your data. We can able to do that. And some other tweaks we have, you can able to create. Like we have search for a distance, track player, nearest units. Like say like how many units are nearby. So let me show you. You have only 2. Yeah, I could able to show you that. See, this customer wants to, let's say, nearest units. For example, I want to see like an nearest units to one particular town, like Hyderabad. Okay, and the moment you type it here, and it gives an option to choose how many units. Okay, and Google, and just say to, let's say, Vinegar. Yeah, see, to a spot, to your location, which is the closest vehicle. So based on your this thing, nearest units, you could able to see that. Fuel 1, 2, 3. These are the kilometers. Hope you got it. Likewise, we have another tweak. So we can able to detect from which tower we are getting the data. So this is the tower. This is the tower from which we're getting the lat long. This for specific reasons we put it. And I have a routing option through where you can able to create the routes. So for example, this is the place 1, and this is another place where you want to create a route. So you can say just simply calculate. It gives you the best optimal route. Like we need to enable it from. I mean, they have not enabled routing for this customer. Now we can able to do that. Anyhow, there's one option through which you can able to create a route. And one more thing is I want to show you. Like, we have a beautiful feature like locator here, and when you click the username, you will be getting as a locator. Click locator. So it gives an option to create a link for your vehicle. For example, one of your customers keep on buzzing you, asking for where's the vehicle is. So in that case, we cannot share our login. So we create a temporary login which can work for 1 hour, 10 minutes, or as per your this thing. You want to say Ramesh transport sport, okay, and you can say fences and the tracks too, and just click say okay. And now this link, you can be able to see this link will work for 1 hour. So just say okay. I'm switching over and pasting here and just clicking it here. So the locator link will take you to the live location of the vehicle without username and password. This one you can able to see that Ramesh transport, and it ends. The link expires after 59 minutes, and you can able to switch Google Maps, Google Road Maps. So as per your needs, we can able to see that, right? And if you want to generate the track, you can able to create that click. There's no movement, so there's no track for this vehicle. So this is how it works. Let me remove this, whatever I have created it. So you can see that click locator, and removing this, just say okay, and coming to the same point here, I'm refreshing this link. So now I have to remove this link here. Remove the link, just say okay, and now come here, refresh it. It says oh, they've logged it. I can, yeah, I couldn't able to remove it because of my access rights. So this, once you remove that link, so you cannot access this particular vehicle. So that's the video about, and we'll discuss in detail once we okay. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.